Hey Eclipse, it's DAX OS. It's been a while since I did another video. This one's not a tutorial, this one's just showing off something pretty sweet. I'm in my last year of high school, thank God, and we have to do what's called a senior project. Now, a senior project is basically pretty much anything. It's just you have to do something that you can spend at least 30 hours on. Okay, well, I decided that I was going to do something really cool and something that I love to do, and I love programming. So I decided, hey, how hard is it to make an operating system? My answer was quickly given to me by just Googling what an operating system actually is. It is just far beyond what anybody could ever imagine. But I do have the skill and I do have the will to learn, and I'm learning as I go along. So right now what I'm about to show you is just a finished version of the basic terminal, or known in Windows command prompt, or Linux it's also terminal, or in a Mac terminal. This is mine. This is basically the interface of the terminal written in C++. That's what my operating system is. And my operating system is called DAX, Developer API Extensions. This is the terminal. Right now it renders pretty much the similarity of the console of Windows, the Windows terminal. As you can see, the basic black functionality, draggable form, and its own text box. I do have to render some things because this is in fact a rendered control. There are no controls on a, and in fact it's C++, so there is no form to actually drag stuff on. All rendered. But I do want to be able to render, get rid of this blue and render my own highlight. So it will require a little more work, but this is the framework of just what the commands can do. For example, if I were to just press enter, it would tell me that there is an invalid command, which obviously is acceptable. Test, or just any random shit you want to type in, is also an invalid command. Now let's get down to business. If you were to type /help, oops, try it again. /help, it'll give you a list of commands. Print screen. That is one of the most basic commands, but it's not what you think. It's not where I'm going to print text here saying hello world. It's actually, if I type it, oh man, sorry. It renders a snapshot of my image. It renders your whole desktop, and it also copies to the clipboard. So if I were to open up Paint and press Control V, it would get pasted. As you can see, print screen, image copied to clipboard. New command. What we're going to do is now I'm going to just change the color of my fonts. Terminal.color. If I remember the command, just go with blue. And there you go. It changes to blue. Now, there's over 30 colors programmed into it, so let's change it to green. Okay, cool. Another cool command, let's see, I never actually tested this one, is to create an ini file. Create.ini. And what it does is it creates it in the terminal directory. Basically, right here is the terminal program, and right here is the ini file. You can also do a create.txt file, and it'll create a new txt file in there. Eventually, I'll be able to specify, create.txt named new txt file, or some shit, something like that. Something, no problem. No wonder that's not a real command. But anyway, you'll be able to read and write from both of these text files through the terminal. Which brings me to my next code. The new code, new.code, will open up a new window, which will basically allow you to program apps. And when you click save, my own custom button, control, it's obviously not going to save now because I haven't programmed it, but what it will do is it shows you there was a new screen window open and value dot enabled equals true. You know, you can write some basic apps. As of right now, you can write an app that will take on this form, this shell style, the Chrome, you know, outline, and the Xbox, Xbox to close out the form. You can render a button, change the text, all through code. So it's basically, you know, unlimited to what you can do. Only problem is I gotta make it save its path and all the loading files and all that stuff. So it's a good start. It's a good start. Let me see, what was another command? I forget them now. One of your other commands is computer.info. Will display all your computer's information in a clean, readable way. I'm running Microsoft Windows 7 Home Premium. I got about 2 gigabytes of RAM. Intel HD graphics. Total size of my hard drive. Free space I got left. And this is, I gotta change that. This should say your video. Grab how much memory is on your graphics card. So yeah. And really, that's all about I got. That's about all I got. So far, this is all you can really do. But I mean, I am like literally 2 more lines of code away. I just got to figure it out to be able to write a basic app in front of you guys right here in the new .code editor. So I will get that to you next time. I'll hopefully write up a simple app. Extensions for my operating system will not be exe, they will be .app. I might have to change that because I think Apple actually is .app, I'm not sure. I'll just come up with some creative name and make sure it fits with the way I'm coding my structures. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any knowledge in C++ and actually knowing how to program, not just put controls on a form, because we can't use controls because that's Microsoft. I'm building my own operating system. Then just give me a shout. I know General Pony is interested. I think he's helping me out. I know we tried working before on a login protocol and protection system for your account. But so yeah, that's about it, guys. I want to say thanks for watching, sticking with me, and I hope to see you guys again in future videos. Alright, Dexter XX signing off.